Hi everyone. We are in August 2021 and now let's see what it has in store for the sun sign Cancer. For the Cancerians, this could be a month where you might feel a little bit pressurized right at the beginning of the month. So certain events in the last week may have brought in a lot of uh, unseen, uncertain happenings where you will have a lot of people or a lot of situations demanding your attention at once. So it's going to be like a situation where everybody needs you at the same time, and it's going to be a little bit difficult for you to handle the situation. Is it actually really that difficult? No. Then what would be the problem? The problem actually is you yourself. You see, what will happen is that it is not that the situations cannot be managed. It is not that you cannot multitask. It is not that you cannot do what you know you have to do. The problem lies in your head. The problem will come in the fact that you want things to be done in a particular manner. Now, is it that there are no other ways or options to do that particular thing? There is, but no, you could be a little bit stubborn enough to want things to be happening exactly in the way you want them to happen. And this is going to be a little bit of clash. This is going to be kind of a very contradictory or a conflicting situation for the month of August 2021. So ideally, if you could just kind of feel things rather than, taking things with your head very logically, you might actually find a solution. You might actually find a midway. So the cards actually suggest you to not be rigid and have a stubborn mindset. You might be a little bit inflexible for this particular month, wanting things to specifically happen only the way you want them to happen. And this could kind of create a roadblock in your progress. In matters of your work, you might sense boredom, simple boredom. Boredom because, it is one of those months where, work is the same routine, mundane work, and there's no exciting or something very different happening at your place of work. So there is no problem at your place of work at all. It's just that you're going to be simply bored with the routine and feel that it is just a monotonous thing that is happening every day. You might actually want a change. But if you want a change at your place of work, you probably need to reconsider a lot of other things as well. For example, the kind of people that you are socializing with, or the kind of profile you are in at your place of work. So if you want to feel good at your place of work, you need to have a different mindset. You see, the same routine and the pattern and the set pattern of thinking is not going to help you lead to a new destination. So if you want something different in your life, you also need to think differently, or you will be walking the same old road all over again. So in general, for this entire month of August 2021, you really need to get out of your set pattern of thinking and look at other options. Well, no one is forcing you, but there isn't a harm in considering other options and checking the pros and cons, and probably taking a thing from here and there and making that into a completely new way of thinking. So just be open, be flexible. Moving on to the area of finances, there is a possibility that you're planning for a big purchase. Now, that purchase can be anything from a property to a car, an expensive car, or anything. You could be actually planning for your, let's say, your kids' higher education funding, and you might have a long-term planning for the future. So this is going to be kind of a purchase which is going to be very huge in terms of finance, and August 2021 is probably the month where you will start planning and thinking about how are you going to make things happen. So August 2021 sees you doing a lot of detailed, minute financial planning for that big purchase that you intend making eventually in the future. The area of relationships somehow for August 2021 for the Cancerians could be a little bit disappointing. Because of your rigid attitude and your set patterns of thinking and execution, you might feel disconnected, or rather others might feel very disconnected from you. So there is a chance that people might want to maintain their safe, polite distance from you, where you might misconstrue it as, nobody cares for me and I'm the only one caring for everybody. But actually, it is you whom you have to actually reconsider. This is a month of pointing a finger towards yourself inwards and not towards others. I repeat, for the month of August 2021, it is your rigid set thinking pattern which is going to land you up in trouble, even in matters of relationship. So for this 1 month, you might feel very left out. You might feel very left out in matters of relationship from your own family members, and you might feel that nobody gives a damn for you or nobody cares for you, when actually what you need to do is kind of be a little bit flexible and be more approachable consciously, particularly for this month. In matters of health, more than talking about how your health is, the cards suggest that you are supposed to be very active in this month. So there is going to be a lot of pressure because there's going to be a lot of demand, and there's going to be a lot of multitasking that is going to come across your way for this month. Also, unexpected work and personally and professionally might also spring up, and you will actually have to be very prepared. So in order to combat with all this multitasking and all this overload of work at times throughout this entire month, you have to be very physically active. So do take care of your energy levels. See to it that you sleep on time. Your rigid mindset might actually make you feel stressed, and that is the reason you might experience a little bit of lack of sleep. Overall, the month is very good health-wise, but stress might at times cause you sleepless nights. So just be a little bit mindful about that. Technically, the month is very good health-wise, and if you take care of your sleep, you will actually sense and you will see that your energy levels for August 2021 are actually very good. In fact, another suggestion given by the cards is to travel often. So, there are chances that you might have to travel for this entire month, either work-wise. If that opportunity doesn't come work-wise, see to it that you consciously travel, or at least go out in the evening for your evening walks. But see to it that you particularly give your body some outdoor activity. It will prove very good for your health. It would rev up your energy levels. Here's wishing you a very, very beautiful, happy and a flexible August 2021. Please take care of yourself. Thank you.